Hi guys, here we are at Target. Let's check out their shoes, guys, to see if anything's changed or if anything is new. So let's see. So I'm looking at these. I don't know, maybe we can catch some clearance stuff. Let's check it out. Okay, so let me see if I can find, look at this shoe. I like that shoe. And that is $24.99, and that one is universal threads, guys. So that's what that looks like. Then you have these sandals here, guys. I like these. Aren't they nice? Look at that. So these, guys, are universal threads, and that's $19.99. And here they are in black. And then they have this style right here. So this one is $17.99 for that style. And I think these are $19.99, guys. And that's universal threads. That's pretty cool. So here they are in black. So it's the same sandal in black, guys. So that's pretty nice. And then they have this kind right here. These are universal threads for $24.99, guys. Look at that. Those are nice. And here's like a metallic color. Let me see. These are universal threads for $19.99. And that's what these look like, guys. So then, let's see. We have this shoe right here. I don't know where the other one went. Okay. So I don't have a tag for it, but isn't that pretty? Very pretty shoe. And then here's another one of those I just showed you. Okay, so they have this one right here. Alright, let me just put it off to the side. That's $19.99, universal threads, guys, and that's the shoe. And then look at this one. Guys, look at this shoe. So these are universal threads for $24.99. Isn't that nice? Look at that shoe. And then here you have this kind here, guys, and then that one is universal threads, $22.99. Very pretty shoe, guys. And I think this is the same thing. This is the same shoe. So if we come over here, let's see. So you have this style shoe. You have that style shoe. And these are universal threads, and those are $22.99. Then you have these, guys. Aren't these pretty? Those are so pretty, guys. Okay, universal threads for $22.99, guys, and that's what that shoe looks like. And I showed you these. Look at these. These are so nice. Look at this shoe. So that shoe, guys, is, let's see, that shoe is $19.99, guys. Isn't that a beautiful shoe? Let me see if I could show that to you. Very beautiful, guys. Then I showed you this one, I showed you this one, and then this one here, guys, is so pretty. I don't know, these are all twisted. Okay, so this shoe is $22.99. And then look at these. Aren't these cool? Look how nice. Universal threads. There they are from the side. Very well made, guys. $27.99. Let's see. Then they have this shoe. They have that shoe right there. Okay, let me see if I see a price. So this shoe, guys, is $27.99 for that shoe right there. And I think they have it. Here's another color. So this one is more orangey, guys, and then this one is more brown. I don't know if you could see that on camera. So let's moving down, guys. You have these. Okay, and these, guys, are universal threads, $19.99, and that's what that shoe looks like. Very nice. And look at these. I think these are new, guys. I don't think I saw this before when I was here. Look at that shoe. Isn't that pretty? So that shoe, let me see if I can find a tag. That shoe is universal threads, $24.99, guys. Look at that shoe. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. And then this one is really nice. It looks comfy. I think it looks like the other one over there. These are $19.99. And then look at these. Look at that shoe. Isn't that pretty? So let's see how much that one is. So So that one is Universal Threads, $24.99. Guys, I don't know, they're all twisted up, falling out of the box. Okay, so then let's see, here it is. Well, here's a different style. Here's a different style. And then this one is Universal Threads, $19.99. I like that shoe. I like black. It's a nice shoe. So then these guys, you know, I'm liking these shoes. So these are Universal Threads, and that's $27.99, guys. And then if you look up here, look at these. So those shoes are $24.99. And then they have these. These are like a metallic, I don't know, pink. They look kind of pink. Not even rose gold, but like a pink with a glittery type of finish. $27.99 for those, guys. And then they have these. And I think that's the same price, guys, $27.99 in that style. Guys, I did show you these, okay? But these, let me show you again. That is $22. Yeah, $22.99. And those over here I showed you. And then they have, this is the same shoe as that one. This is by A New Day. It's like an orange, like a, I don't know, like an orange coral color, $22.99. So that's new. Then they have this one right here. And that one is $19.99, guys. Loving this shoe, guys. Look at this shoe. Okay, so they have some flats over here. And the black, that's your basic, $14.99. That's by A New Day. Then they have this one right here. Look at that. I like that shoe. That's $24.99 by A New Day. That's what these look like. Okay, then they have another pair of flats right here, guys. Like this is like your basic shoe, $14.99. And that's what they look like up here. Then they have this kind here, $22.99. And this is what they look like from the side, guys. So then here, I'm sorry I'm bouncing around, guys, but they don't have the shoes on this, not all of them on display. So they have this one, and then I don't see a tag for that. And here it is in black. I think it's the same shoe, and seeing these don't have a tag, but this one does. Okay, $22.99 for these. This shoe right here, isn't that pretty? Such a nice shoe. Okay, so that one is $22.99. And then this shoe here. Okay, so then, all right, this shoe here is different, guys. I think I showed you this shoe. Let me see the price. That one is $22.99. Okay, and that's what that shoe looks like in the orange, and I just showed it to you in the black. And then this shoe right here is by A New Day, and that's $19.99. Look at these. Like this one I don't think I saw. So this one is $22.99. Isn't that pretty? And then here's the other one. Here's another shoe. I think that shoe is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Aren't they pretty, guys, for like the beach? So this shoe right here by A New Day is $14.99. I'm sorry, guys, they're cleaning the floor. It's always so noisy over here at this Target. Okay, $14.99. But I guess that's what they have to do, guys. Okay, so these, look at these. Aren't these nice? These are clear. Now these are new and I never seen these. Those are really pretty. Okay, so now these are $19.99. Isn't that beautiful? That's different, guys. And they have this shoe right here for $24.99, and that's by Universal Threads. And here's one similar right here, guys. Look at that. So this one is $29.99 for that shoe. It looks so comfortable. See it? Then they have these. Okay, and that's two different shoes. So this shoe right here is $24.99 for that shoe. That's pretty cool, guys. So anyway, these are $16.99. I think this is a new brand to Target. Okay, and then they have that shoe. I like that shoe. And here it is right here in front of me. Okay, so that's what they cost. They're $16.99. This one over here is $19.99. Let me see, these black ones are $19.99. I think that's a pretty cool idea. So then they have these. Okay, so you have this shoe right here by Universal Threads. Those are $14.99. And then they have that shoe right there. That's also $14.99. Here it is up close. Then they have this kind right here, $14.99. There it is in black. So then they have this kind right here, guys, Universal Threads. So I see, and this is $12.99. Okay, they come in that metallic color. Okay, so let's see what's on this side, guys. And then look at this shoe, guys, $34.99. And this is by a new day. Isn't that pretty? I think that's a pretty shoe, guys. Look at that. Let me move that tag out of the way. Wow, that's pretty. Okay, so most of these are inside the boxes, guys. So this shoe here, look at this one. Isn't that a pretty shoe, guys? Look at that. That is so pretty. Okay, so that one is $27.99. Then they have this kind of shoe right here. Well, this is like yeah, they have this kind of shoe. They have the paper stuffed in it, guys, with the zipper in the back. That one is $29.99. And then look at these, guys. I don't know why they don't have these on display up here. So they have that shoe right there by a new day, and that's $34.99. And then look at these. Look at these, guys. So that one by a new day, let me see, the tag says $34.99, guys, for that shoe. So not even out of the box. I don't understand that on display. So they have that shoe right there for $29.99 by a new day. That's the same shoe. Then they have this one right here, guys. Look at this. So that's what they look like from the top. And this is what they look like from the side. And that shoe is $29.99, guys. My goodness, guys, they're bringing out the little boot type shoes. Okay, so these, okay, I just can't believe that. I don't think I see a price for that. Here they are in a different color. That shoe is $34.99, and there it is in the charcoal gray. And then this is a similar shoe, Universal Threads. I think it's this shoe. Yes, it's this shoe. So this price is $24.99. And look at these boots. I'm loving these boots. This is $34.99, guys. I love those boots. So Mad Paw, I hope I'm reading that right, guys. Mad Paw. Okay, so I like them. Don't they look so comfortable, guys? I'm just gonna scan those for you. I think they look so comfortable. They remind me of the Toms. Okay, and then so that, let me see what the price is. $19.99, and that's what those look like, guys. I hope I read that name right. It's right here. And that is, if you like that shoe, is $24.99 for that one. Then here they have it in black. And they also have this style here, but this is by a new day. $24.99. Is this by a new day? Yeah, this is a new day too. Okay, and then they have this shoe here by a new day. $29.99, guys, for that. Then here, $34.99, and that's the top of the shoe, and here it is from the side, guys. And look at these, guys. I remember I remember these years ago, guys. I remember. All right, let's see. These are by a new day, and let's see, that's $34.99 for that shoe. And that's pretty much what they have here. And then they have this shoe here. I think I showed you this one on the other side over there, $29.99. And here it is in this style. And guys, look at this style. So it's the same shoe, different styles. So then we'll take one quick swing around over here. Let's take a look at these. Okay, so these are universal threads, guys, and that's $34.99. And then look at these are right here. That shoe right there is universal threads, guys, for $34.99. Beautiful shoe. Then they have this one. Look at this. I don't know, I remember these when I was growing up, guys. $34.99. And then these right here, universal threads, $27.99. And I showed you these. And then these right here, universal threads, guys, $34.99. Look at that shoe. And there they are in colors, guys. These are all the same shoe. This one is a little bit different. Let's see how much that is. Let me see if I can get to the price. $34.99. And that's what that shoe looks like from the side. And here's another pair. It's a little different on top. And that one is $34.99 too. These are cute, aren't they, guys? I'm loving the leather. So that one is $34.99. So guys, thank you for coming with me to Target to just take a look at their shoes and see if there's anything new. And I will see you guys in the next video.